guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is the first video I'm filming in 2022. I hope you guys had a, healthy and safe Christmas and New Year. I've been very busy. Work with me is still very busy because we're getting ready to head into inventory, and that's just gonna be just wonderful. So, I'm off today, and I thought we would do a new monthly makeup drawer, even though I haven't filmed one of these in probably like 6 to 8 months. I've had the same, everyday makeup drawer since last May or April. I don't know. It's been forever. Granted, I have used some other newer products if I purchased them myself, but the monthly makeup drawer has stayed the same. So, I thought today we would completely take all the products out, except for my brow products, because those never change. Take all the products out, clean the drawer. I need to clean my vanity down. I can see a layer of dust on the top. And then kind of re-pick out some new products so I can revisit some old products in my collection. I love doing these every now and again. I used to try to do it once a month, but that has definitely not been the case lately. So I thought we'd kick off the new year and start with a new monthly makeup drawer. So if you all like these kinds of videos, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below before you click off this video. And let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the best angle that I could possibly figure out here. Here is all the products in the drawer, and I'm just going to kind of take them all out, set them on my vanity. This is a mirrored vanity, so if this kind of throws you off, I'm sorry. So take out all these products. I need to wipe this all down. So I'm just kind of going to do a, what's the word I'm looking for? Montage of me cleaning this, and then we'll pick out all the products. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the drawer is completely clean. I cleaned the little organizer thing. Okay, completely empty. So I'm going to put back all these products up here. Most of them. A few of them I will keep out, like this little compartment thing here. This little guy. This has my mascaras, my brow pencils, everything I need on a day-to-day basis. And I do have some concealers in here, but I'm trying to use these up. So I will probably just keep this the way it is here, and just leave it in the drawer, because I always keep that here. So I'm going to put all these back, and then the next clip we'll pick out some new products. Okay, so we are here at the foundation, primer, and concealer part of my drawer system. So I put back everything. I really want to do a declutter of this drawer. That might be the next video I might film. I'm not sure. But I do want to pick out a couple of foundations. One being this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have not really used this much since I got it last year when it came out. So I definitely want to put this in my drawer. And then maybe this Fenty Beauty one. It's been a hot minute since I used this. This is the Soft Matte foundation. I got this in my BoxyCharm box last late summer or fall, and I really didn't use it much, so I want to add this as well. I would like to use this, but this looks really dark. That's gonna have to be for summer. Maybe I'll use my She Glam. I have not. Yeah, I'm gonna use my She Glam foundation. This has been a hot minute. It looks a little dark. What shade is this? Warm Vanilla. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try this. So these three I'm going to add to my everyday makeup drawer. And then as far as primers over here, my skin has been really frustrating for quite a while now. So I've kind of been sticking to the same primers just to see if, you know, that was something that irritated my skin. I have been trying not to change out much primer, so most of these I haven't used in a long time, and it might be time to declutter a few of them. So maybe when I do my foundation declutter, I'll declutter some primers as well. And concealers, like I said in my first clip, I'm keeping the ones in the drawer to try to use those up. So I'm not going to pick out any new concealers today. So the next drawer up is my highlighter drawer. So I did put back all the highlighters into this drawer. I know this drawer is really full, but please don't judge me. I love my highlighters. So, back here I have all my Fenty ones. I have some Maybelline, some Ofra. Which one's this one? Pillow Talk. It's like a pinky shade. I haven't used that in forever. Anastasia Amrezy. That's an oldie but a goodie. Let's see. Stila. This is more of a blush to me. I really need to put that in my blush drawer. Put that in my blush drawer. Oh, this one. I really want to pull this one out. This is the About Face one. I love this brand. I don't know about you all if you've used this brand any at all. Here is the highlighter. So there it is. Isn't that stunning? I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Whoa. So pretty. It kind of has like some gold undertone. Pretty much a lot of gold. Even though in the pan it looks more white. But it's really pretty gold. I'm going to go with this one. Maybe I'll do this Wet n Wild one. Here's kind of what it looks like through the side view. I haven't used this one. It's a loose highlighter. Maybe I'll do that one. Another one. What about this Barbie one? That one's kind of dark. Do Benefit Cookie. This is Smash. I think I'm going to go with this Smashbox one. I've not used this one in forever. So here's what it looks like. It is just really pretty. And the packaging is just stunning. This was the Optimistic highlighter. So these three, maybe I should do this palette. I haven't used this one in forever. This Too Faced palette. Or this one. I haven't used this one in forever. Ooh, I'm going to go with this one. This is the Chocolate Elixir Glow by I Heart Revolution. This one is so good. Okay, I'm going to go with these 4 highlighters. Okay, moving on down, this is the bronzer drawer, and it has a little bit of powder right here, but it's mostly bronzers. I don't know why my bronzers all seem so big. Like, I feel like I need 2 drawers, but there's really not that many bronzers in here. I don't know. I think I'm going to pull out this bronzer here. This is the Too Faced one. The Natural Lust bronzer. And it has the pretty peacock packaging. I have not used this in forever, and it is so good. I'm going to pull that one out. And then this one's a good one, and so is this one. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I think I'll pull out this Too Faced one. I've not used this one in a while. And then I had my butter bronzer in my drawer. I recently hit pan on it. And this is just a really good shade for me in the winter time. It's not too warm, not too dark. I really like this one. I think I'll go with this NARS one. This is the NARS Summer Solstice cheek like highlighter and bronzer duo, but I kind of just mix it all around, so that's what the packaging looks like. And then here's the inside. I haven't used this one in a really long time, so I think I'm gonna go with these 3 bronzers here. Okay, moving down, this is the powder blush drawer. I usually like to have like 3 powder blushes and like 3 or 4 cream blushes. I really like this Wet n Wild one. This is in the shade Keep It Peachy. Pearlescent pink. Oh, this is a good one. Decisions. My Bleed Beauty ones. Oh, those are good too. I love this Very Minerals bronzer. I have one in this offer. I heard these ones are discontinued, and I still check mine. Every thought so good. Okay, I think I'm going to go with these 4 powder blushes here. I kind of like to always have like some peachy options and a pink option because, you know, your girl's got to have options. So I think I'm going to go with these 4 powder ones. And then on down from the powder drawer is the cream drawer. So I don't have a whole lot of cream blushes, even though I really like cream blushes, but it looks like I have a lot, but I really don't. I think I might add in this Kosas one. I have not used this in forever. Maybe add this one in and my Tower 28 blush and Magic Hour. This one is such a good one. Maybe these 2. Oh, my MAC one. I love this one. Maybe these 3. Should I do a Milk Makeup one? These ones are so good. Maybe these 2? Okay, I think I'm going to do these cream blushes here. No. Okay, so here is what the finished everyday makeup drawer looks like. So over here on this side, I have the few eyeshadow palettes I picked out. I did go with the Too Faced. This is the Forbidden Fruitcake one. Here's what it looks like. And then I went with this Juvia's Place one. This was their holiday release. I hadn't gotten to use this one yet. And then this She Glam palette. This is the Bold Beats palette. It has some really pretty pinks in it and a little bit of blue and a nice black shade. So I kind of wanted a nice black shade in case I wanted to do a liner or anything. And then I just have my foundations. I put them here. And then blushes over here, bronzers and highlighters. These are powders. I just kept these the same with my Dior powder back there. And then my brow products, concealers here. And then these are cream eyeshadows. And I did kind of keep these in here just because I use these all the time. So I didn't really want to put these back. So yeah, here's my updated everyday makeup drawer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye!